Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle and let your breath guide you home. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it go gently. Again, breathe in calm and exhale everything that isn't serving you. Today, we release stress. We release overthinking. We release the weight you've been carrying in silence. You've been strong for a long time, but strength doesn't mean holding everything alone. Strength is knowing when to breathe, when to let go, when to come back to yourself. As you breathe, feel your body begin to soften. Your shoulders loosen, your jaw releases, your mind begins to slow down. Let every breath bring you back into your body, present, grounded, steady. Now place your attention on your chest. Imagine a warm light forming there, gold, soft, strong, steady. This light represents the calm inside you, a calm that cannot be shaken by stress, fear, or pressure. With each breath, this light expands. It fills your chest, your stomach, your legs, your arms, your entire being. This is your inner strength, not loud, not forceful, but steady, powerful, unbreakable. Now bring your awareness to your mind. Notice any thoughts floating around. Thoughts about the past, worries about the future, pressure, confusion, noise. See those thoughts as clouds. You don't have to fight them. You don't have to control them. Simply watch them drift across the sky of your mind. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Calm, clear, steady. Take a deep breath in and imagine blowing those clouds away as you exhale. A clear sky, a calm mind, a strong spirit. You are coming back to yourself. Now silently repeat these words. I release what I cannot control. I choose peace over pressure. My mind is clear. My spirit is strong. My heart is calm. Feel these words settle into you like truth, because they are. You deserve peace. You deserve clarity. You deserve this moment of calm. Take one more deep breath in, hold it gently, and exhale slowly. As we close this meditation, remember, stress does not define you. Overthinking does not control you. You are grounded, you are centered, you are powerful. Carry this calm with you today. And when life gets loud, come back to your breath. Come back to your light. Come back to yourself. You are whole. You are calm. You are strong.